welcome back to my channel. So, meron na naman akong bagong recipe video for you guys. Ang taray naka-sleeveless ako. Kamalunga ako. But, yun. So, as you've seen naman from the title of this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 of my favorite pasta recipes. So, these are just recipes na na-experiment ko in the kitchen. And I don't know if I should call it recipe kasi you'll see naman later that it's mostly mixing lang of ingredients. So sorry, I'm super beginner lang. I'm a beginner in the kitchen, but I hope you'll still get to enjoy these simple recipes na I find really yummy. That's why it's my favorite. So yun, I'll be sharing with you 3 and I hope you like it. Okay, for our first recipe, we'll be making tuna tomato pasta. So, we'll need pasta. I use wholemeal, garlic, lemon, canned tuna, and canned tomatoes. But, of course, you can use fresh tomatoes. This is just what I have on hand right now. We'll cook the pasta separately, so up to you what kind of pasta you want to use. And then, we'll just prepare the other ingredients that we'll need when we cook. So, I fried the garlic first and added the canned tomatoes na. So, I just saute it for a little bit. And then, after that, I'll just add on my canned tomatoes. So, for this, I use 2 peeled tomatoes. So, after that, I let it simmer for a bit until it becomes like a sauce. And then, I add my seasoning, salt, pepper, and also lemon. After a few minutes, about 3 minutes, I just add na my cooked pasta and then mix it well, and then of course we can add a little bit of pasta water. And that's the first recipe, guys. So you can top this with parmesan. I just don't have one right now, and I also topped it with fresh parsley. Okay, for our second recipe, it's a chicken pesto pasta, one of my ultimate favorites. So I'll just need, of course, pasta, chopped garlic, I chopped this one differently, chicken breast, and the pesto sauce. So again, we'll just cook our pasta separately, up to you if you want to use different kinds of pastas. And of course, we'll just add salt and oil to it. Okay, so we'll just need to cook our chicken breast. I just season it with salt, pepper, and rosemary. So I just pan-fried my chicken until fully cooked and then chop it into bits. So later we'll add it also in our pesto sauce. In the same pan I used to fry my chicken, I just saute a little bit of garlic and then I put back the chicken there, and then that's where I add the pesto sauce. So I always like putting pesto sauce on the chicken and even on the pasta, so I'll make sure I have those pesto flavors in every bite. And then I mix in my cooked pasta and then add more pesto sauce. That's it. Yung pasta ko, it looks brown now because I use wholemeal pasta. But of course, this will look much greener if you use regular pasta. So, serve it in a plate. Forgive my poor plating skills, but enjoy. If you have parmesan on hand, please top it with parmesan because it will taste so much better, and even pair it with a slice of garlic bread. Okay, last but not the least, we'll be doing gourmet pasta. Kala mo social, but I'll just be using the same pasta I use for all the 3 recipes. A can of gourmet, my seasonings, garlic, chopped parsley, and tomato. Okay, similar sa first 2 recipes, we'll just cook the pasta separately with some salt and a little bit of oil. I'll use the oil from the can of gourmet to fry my garlic. And then just add 1 whole tomato. So for this one, I think it creates a balance, a little bit of sweetness kasi the gourmet is already salty, so we can have something to balance the whole recipe. And then of course, let's already add the bits of gourmet in the mix. Once that's ready, we can add now the cooked pasta and then just mix it thoroughly. Of course, you can also add a little bit of pasta water as well. And that's it, guys. Super easy gourmet pasta. So I hope you enjoyed it. So let's now plate it. So forgive me again for my poor plating skills. Lastly, top with fresh parsley and enjoy! So, those were the recipes, guys. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, super dali lang kasi yung mga ingredients niya are mostly from canned goods like yung gourmet, yung canned tomato, and even the tuna, and even the pesto. So, I don't know if I should really call this video recipe, but it's more of pasta ideas that you can try using simple ingredients that you can find in your pantry or in the grocery. So I find this recipe is really yummy. That's why it's my favorite, and that's why I really wanted to share it with you guys to give you an idea of how you can easily make pastas at home. I want to thank you for watching the video until the end, and if you've tried this video, please DM me on IG and let me know what you think. Let me know as well if you like more videos like these, because I'll be happy to do more of them for you guys. So that's it. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!